Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa and I specialize in wound care, helping those with chronic wounds optimize their health to promote healing. So if you're watching this video, more than likely you have a chronic wound or are dealing with a chronic health condition. And if you're like most people, you probably use household cleaning products every day without even thinking twice about it. But have you ever considered how these chemicals could be affecting your health? What if I told you that the very products you use to keep your house clean could actually be slowing down your body's ability to heal and affect your long-term health? Stick around and find out how chemicals in common cleaning supplies are harming your long-term health and what you can do to protect yourself and your wounds. Let's start with the basic household cleaning products. They're loaded with chemicals that over time can cause seriously harm to your body. For example, ammonia or chlorine bleach, they're common in many household cleaners. And while they do a great job at disinfecting, they can be incredibly harsh on your respiratory system, skin, and even your nervous system. Many cleaning products, they also contain phthalates or VOCs, which can trigger long-term health issues, including asthma, headaches, chronic respiratory problems. These chemicals can even accumulate in your body over time, increasing the risk of certain cancers, hormone imbalance, and other serious health conditions. Now, let's take a moment to understand how these chemicals actually enter our bodies. You might think, I'm just cleaning my home. How could I possibly be absorbing harmful chemicals? The truth is, chemicals can be absorbed into your body in several ways. First, there's skin absorption. When cleaning products come into contact with your skin, especially your hands, you're directly exposing yourself to chemicals. If you don't wear gloves or protect your skin, these toxic substances can absorb through the skin surface and enter your bloodstream. Second, there's inhalation. So many cleaning products release fumes and VOCs that you breathe in. Even if you're cleaning in a well-vented room, these chemicals can linger in the air and enter your lungs. Remember, if you can smell it, the chemicals are entering your body. These inhaled toxins can affect your respiratory system over time and contribute to chronic lung conditions. Lastly, chemicals can be ingested. You may not even realize it, but when you clean surfaces in, say, a kitchen or dining room area without wiping them down after, inadvertently, you may be actually ingesting these chemicals. Even if you don't eat directly from the surface, residue can be transferred onto the food and then into your mouth. So when you're exposed to these chemicals regularly, the cumulative effects can take a toll on your health. For example, phthalates are known to interfere with hormone function, leading to issues like fertility problems, asthma, and developmental disorders. VOCs can irritate your lungs and trigger long-term respiratory problems. Chronic exposure to these chemicals can lead to skin issues such as eczema, contact dermatitis, and premature aging. Now, imagine this. Your skin is the body's first line defense, protecting you from external threats, including bacteria and viruses. But when you're exposing your skin to these harsh chemicals, you're making it more vulnerable to damage. And if you're trying to heal a wound, this exposure can slow down the healing process significantly. So here's how it works. Your body's healing process involves inflammation, tissue repair, and the formation of new skin cells. But when you use cleaning products with harsh chemicals, those cleaning chemicals enter your system and create a state of chronic inflammation. This interferes with your body's natural ability to heal wounds. Chemicals like bleach and triclosans not only irritate the skin, but they also disrupt the immune system's response to infection. When your skin is exposed to these substances, it becomes more prone to dryness, cracking, infection, all of which dramatically slow down the healing process of any type of wound. And let's not forget the impact on the skin health. When you repeatedly expose your skin to toxic chemicals, it becomes more sensitive and the protective barrier of your skin starts to break down, which leads to more irritation, redness, and dryness. Now, if you're already trying to heal from a chronic wound or chronic condition, your skin is in a delicate state, and these chemicals make it even harder for your skin to regenerate and recover. When your skin becomes inflamed or irritated, the healing process slows down. So, if you're trying to heal a wound, exposure to these chemicals can be the difference between fast recovery and prolonged healing time. So now that you know how harmful chemicals can be, you might be wondering, what can I do to protect myself and protect my healing process? The good news is there are safer, more natural alternatives with plant-based cleaners that are just as effective at cleaning your home without all the toxic side effects. By making the switch to safer alternatives, you're not only protecting your skin, immune system, but you're also creating a healthier environment for healing and long-term health. If you're ready to make the switch to safer products, I offer a range of holistic healing solutions designed to support your body, health, and wound recovery. All the products are free from harmful chemicals. From safe cleaning alternatives to wound healing supplements, I have the solution to create a toxic free home and a healthier lifestyle. Make sure you click the link in the description for more information on these products and how they can help you maintain your health and speed up the healing process. In conclusion, the chemicals in your cleaning supplies may be affecting you more than you know. Over time, they can harm your skin, weaken your immune system, and destroy your long-term health and healing ability. But it's not too late to make the change. Switch to safer, natural products today and optimize your health. For more information on holistic healing, check out the link in the description below to request my free information. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share with friends who could also benefit. Let's make healthier, cleaner choices together. Don't forget to visit my website, thewoundconsultant.com, for all your wound care needs. Whether you're seeking professional wound care consultations, access to high-quality supplements, holistic healing, digital resources, informative books, or high-quality wound care supplies, we have everything to support you. Whether you're dealing with a wound or you're a healthcare professional, there's something for everyone. Visit today and take the next step in effective wound care.